Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today's video is going to be very interesting because I have been sent this amazing mold kindly by Into Resin. So let's open it and let's see what we get. So let's see what I have in the bag, and in the bag I have this lovely mold that I am going to show you, and then this is the care guide for the handmade mold. One thing that catch my eye is that don't wash or use alcohol to clean. So I have told many times to use alcohol or a soapy water to remove my resin from the mold. I try to avoid it. So this is the reason that if you're using a high-end crystal shiny mold, you need to avoid all the alcohol or the soapy water because it do affects the shine of the resin. So I'm so impressed by the sparkles in this mold here. I'm about to pour my resin into the mold here. So this is a simple mold by Into Resin, but the product that comes out of this mold is amazing. So I'm using a low viscosity resin. It's perfect for this mold here, or you can use deep pour if you want to have a crystal clear perfect item. So here I'm just pouring clear resin, nothing special, because the mold itself I heard and saw videos is really amazing. So 20 ml of resin is enough for this. I mixed around 24 ml and I had some leftover resin in my container. So you just need 20 to 22 grams of resin for this mold. So very little resin for this. So it's been poured now. I need to do something really different. So I thought, why not use my holographic film here? So this is basically for nail art, and you get a little film into a container. So I'm just cutting it according to the size I need. So I just cut a square and I'm just putting it onto the mold here. And after that, I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and I am super excited to demold it. So let's see how it turns out. So you can cut the holographic film according to the design of the flower. I thought I'll do that later on. But before that, you just see the results. So beautiful. I just love it. I see the ad that the Into Resin is showing for this mold. It is really pretty, but now I have made it myself and it's amazing. I can't stop looking at the sparkles that this mold is giving. It's so beautiful. And with that holographic film on behind it, it is cherry on top. So now I'm just showing you different backgrounds do affect the holographic film. So I'm just putting it on top of this. So it's giving a beautiful pinky purplish tone, and just taking it off, it giving a bit on the yellow golden side. The background do affect the end result, and just putting it onto the black gloves, the color is totally different. So it's really up to you how you want to use it. There are so many things you can do with this. But first I'm just going to show you how it looks like in the sunlight. You can I just kept on playing with this flower as well as it was creating that sparkle, and in the sun it's really beautiful. And it's resin. If I would have shown you, you might won't believe. You think that this is glass, but this is resin and nothing else, just a holographic film on the back. It's so pretty. You can make so many things out of it. You can turn it into a brooch. You can use this as a accent on your resin item. So many uses, really. There is no limit for. But I did turn it to something, so I will be showing you later on what I did. So with sunlight or without sunlight, the shine is the same. It's really beautiful. So I have discount code available in my description box if you like to read yourself, because I think this is such a beautiful mold to have in your collection. So definitely take the chance and grab it for yourself. So everything will be in my description. Again, you can see as the sun hits, it looks so pretty, so beautiful. So just keep on watching and see what I did turn this. So I turned it into a simple necklace here because it's so beautiful on itself. I just added a bale with the help of a UV resin, and then I added the chain. It's amazing. I just love simply wearing it and it's so pretty. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.